Hello, welcome to my live session and thank you for being here. As I indicated in my post, I'm doing this video to respond to my class assignment. I'm a student at the University of the Cumberlands working on my PhD in leadership with emphasis on mathematics education. My neighbor's dog is happy, that's why she's barking, so I hope you're happy as well. So in today's session, we are going to talk about, first of all, did I say welcome to calculus or pre-calculus? Whatever level you are, please get comfortable, find something to drink, and if you are on doctor's restrictions, please make sure to check in with the provider and make sure that today's exercise is going to work for you. Because we will be engaging in two exercises and I'll demonstrate what the exercises are so that we are on par. The first exercise and the second exercise, of course, they both involve running in, I call it running in space because I'm not going anywhere. I'm running right where I'm going to be standing. And your focus is to make the observations during the running, during those two instances. I would like you to make note of your observations and the facts. Tie those facts to your background experience in mathematics or physics. But both your observations and conclusions from the two exercises that I'm going to demonstrate will be grounded in mathematical or in mathematics facts or in facts from physics. You get to decide. So, in the first exercise, I am about 85 years old and I'm going to be running. I'm going to be running right here and I'm not going anywhere. In order to do this exercise, I'm going to set up a timer because I want to run for the same length of time for the first exercise as I will in the second exercise. Okay, so here I am. I'm 87 years old. Okay, my timer is up. Now, I'm moving into the second experience. In this second exercise, I'm 17 years old. And I'll note, I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I didn't expect it to be this noisy, but that's life, right? Life sometimes gets noisy. I'm 17 years old in the second exercise. So, you're going to be doing the same thing but in your own way. But most importantly, please be safe. Okay. So, my timer is up. Now, you see, I am a demonstrator and a student. My job is to compare the two experiences in terms of my mathematics background, in terms of my physics background. What is happening in these two activities? How are they the same? How are they different? Here is what I am not expecting for feedback. I'm not expecting to hear something like, or I was too tired in the first exercise, or it was much easier. Nothing like that. In terms of the mathematical facts, in terms of the facts from physics, that's what I want to hear. And by the way, make sure that you're telling me about your own experience, because if you're not, then it's going to be difficult when we move on to the next session. I'm still breathing. You see, I don't run that often myself. So the problem with copying from somebody else who's engaged in this exercise is that you're not going to be able to follow through tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to work on something different. And if you copy somebody else's experience, I don't know how you'll interpret it, but I would advise you against it. So please post your observations for me, and then I will tell you what I experienced and why. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be waiting here to see how you respond. Okay, everything is clear? Yeah, you can be any age as long as you're over 70. I'm just exaggerating. You can be over 60 in the first exercise, and in the second one, 15 or 16, younger than 20. Yes, you are welcome to draw a chart. You can draw a graph if you want, but you have to explain to me what you're doing and why. No, you don't necessarily need to have learned about the facts from me. They can come from any other class. Yes, you can take the notes if you like. All right, if you don't have any questions for me, then I'll be watching out for your feedback, and then I'll tell you what I made of those two experiences. Let's see. All right. Okay, bye for now. We'll talk some more later.